Mr. Yabakama, the world is watching you. We are here legally. But what you're doing to the people is against the law. That is what the Uganda police is doing. That is what the police is doing. Bagumu ne bamandera babakola bwe batyo naye bawangula abantu b'ebbale ekyokukola mukimanyi obwo butiitiizi bwa poliisi bwa busaavu nnyo. Shame upon you. Shame upon you. Shame upon you, Frank Mwesigwa. Shame upon you, Museveni. Shame upon all of you. What a shame.
Lengero omukadde gwe bakuya tiya gas. Bano abasajja tebalina kisale omukadde gwe bakuba tiya gas.